Welcome to Good Morning Microscope, where we take a look at new, unique, and interesting microscopy products. Stay tuned, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Accu-Scope EXC-350. The EXC-350 is a clinical quality compound microscope with a modular design. The EXC-350 bridges the gap between educational and research quality microscopes by offering versions in Brightfield, Phase, Darkfield, and Fluorescence, all at a price that any lab can afford. One of the most unique components available for the EXC-350 is the integrated single or dual channel LED fluorescent attachment. The attachment combines the LED excitation light and filters in a compact housing. Switching from transmitted light to reflected light with the EXC-350 is simple and just requires turning a knob. This configuration has a single channel LED 470 nanometer wavelength excitation light for imaging fluorophores such as FITC and GFP. DAPI and Texas Red LEDs are also available. If you work with tuberculosis or live dead assays, Accu-Scope has a 455 nanometer long path setup available, which will allow you to view the red and green channels simultaneously. All right, let's take a look at some slides. The EXC-350 has a lot to offer in terms of versatility and price. Single-channel fluorescence configurations are available for under $5,000, making this one of the most affordable fluorescence systems on the market. If you're interested in a free demonstration, contact Voxyl Microscopes at 443-714-2112 or email me at tom@voxylmicroscopes.com. And if you want to see more microscopy content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Good Morning Microscope.